College pun fibro kejumtip nam tai kubarat kam te kadon kawai ke kam kapalat data entry operator po Eastern West Khas Hill District kane kade contractual basis but kawai kade kam hikai dengan pentip syai kane kawai application invited on contractual basis for a period of 1 year po Eastern West Khas Hill District qualification experience for filling the vacant post mentioned below District Disaster Management Authority DDMA Eastern West Khas Hill District. Yang tu interested candidate are instructed to submit the standard application form via online mode. Pihak submit lengba online mode in the email kan mau pinang namnang send email kan ke email pihak send lengba ke email ha kan email ddma easternwest@gmail.com. Last date of submission kan 4 April 2025. Te kumno man submit ya kane te kabaha ba hakapor ba submit te pila pandap kata ka application ko jong fee lane fee issue type ne filek no mnoru te fiapsna in the form of a PDF mut babaro ki document kata ka application form jong fee lara fi phimnang man type lane filek da ka standard form ru te fiapson dor kata ka standard form rangkat bagi documents sna ka dor jong ka PDF dan bisa send hapo ka email jong ka ddma@gmail.com kelas date kedai 1 April arjar pesan kapus kedai data entry operator number of vacant post 1 5-year relaxable nomor live hour hadu live news name kila aban apply desired qualification the graduate in any discipline with knowledge of computer with a typing speed of above 30 words per minute tanggi graduate sejrong kila aban apply tapi ko apply sa apply katulop jongane remuneration pay kandai khat prajar shis pa san phau te kitu kiba kwa aban apply salen okloi kemau kadai online te phiapin sna kadu jong PDF sa submit lingba ka email. Candidate are instructed to assess their typing speed test before applying the vacant post. Te sakan mau nda la de apply kin select ya kata ka mark phiaban ayub haildin marba kin select ya typing speed ru kin test manu kibalong eligible la dabun kin hable ya ka typing speed test. Te tangkat tuhi te kane mut 3 April kan dei ka last date reply lengba ka email te sakawai bede kam hikai ka balai kane they one assistant teacher at Lightroom RCLP school Lightroom minimum qualification in class 12 50% for general candidate 45% for ST/SC candidate should possess 2-year diploma in elementary education DLED lane 4 years bachelor in elementary education BE lane 2-year diploma in education special education candidate should possess LPM-TET upper age limit hadu sapo for scheduled caste scheduled tribe nam tagi OBC life first name kasalari kare deficit system dalam tag itu kibakwa aban apply ya kane can submit their application in the field standard form at the office of the Good Shepherd Parish Jongsha on or before 11/04/2024 tekanang don por phai kam takane bakwa aban apply number ular pa hene secretary pranyawar khnai prapra nyo iwewe not ban khnai sau line ruwe nru sau nru nyo khnai tiki bakwa aban apply selek ka bulan kam tanggi lagi jum tip khule shubun